And the total amount that I have made on Flip in the last 10 days is... Wait a second. I had to go through 10 grueling days to get to the end of this challenge. So I'm going to make you guys suffer with me. Rewind the tape.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
All right, so it's currently Wednesday, January the 22nd at 7:03 p.m. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it is. And tonight's the first night that we start. So I'm going to go 10 days from now and we're going to see how much money we can make on Flip. Now, I actually did make a video a couple weeks ago talking just about everything about Flip. So how you make an account, how you set up your profile, the different ways that you can make money with it. So if you guys want a more in-depth look at that, I'll link it above there. But basically the ways that you guys can make money with the app is by one, scrolling. So you're going to get rewards as you scroll. Now the cash that you earn here is called Flip Cash and it can be used as discounts towards products that you buy off the shop. Then the second way that you can make money is called clips. So you're basically getting paid on engagement. So anytime somebody watches your video longer than 3 seconds, you're going to start getting paid off the views. And right now, I think the way that they actually pay out is $30 per 1,000 qualified views. Then the third way that you're going to be making money with Flip is by something called flips. And if you've ever heard of the TikTok affiliate program, it's identical to this. So you're basically reviewing products off the Flip shop, and then you're going to be making commissions up to 10 to 15% off of the sale price. Now, a full disclaimer, I wanted to let you guys know before the challenge starts, is that I actually did get Flip about 10 days ago, and I had been uploading a couple random videos. Now, the thing with Flip and what I've heard from other creators is you have to be consistent, and you have to post a lot, like 3 to 5 times a day to start seeing that traction. And as you guys can see, I'll pull up my Flip here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I've only uploaded, I think, here, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 videos in 11 days. So that's really not a lot. And the total that I've made from my engagement is right there, is $3.26. I just want to let you guys know I am starting from a place of not like a brand new account. I have been on Flip for a couple of days as I've been trying to learn, so that way I can provide the most valuable information to you guys, as well as I have $58.66 from the Flip Cash just from scrolling.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Those are our starting points. So $58.66 of Flip Cash and $3.26 of actual cash earnings. So I have a few goals for myself to see if this challenge is a success and to show you guys how much money you can kind of make off Flip. The first goal is to make $100 of cash earnings from engagement. And the second goal is to make another $100 in Flip commissions. So I actually did get my first package from Flip in the mail yesterday, which is why I'm actually making the video now. And it's this very viral thing on Flip right now called My Smile. It's actually a teeth whitening solution. And so I'm gonna try this out. I think when I last looked in the Flip app, there was over 17,000 of these in people's carts. So it's very popular right now. They're doing a mega sale. So I'm actually just gonna start the challenge off by opening this, making a Flip video. Okay, so I'm screen recording on here. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make my first Flip, and don't judge. All right, so I saw this
everywhere on the Flip app.
It's a little pump that you put on your toothbrush. Okay, so I guess that's what we're gonna go with. I'm gonna have to edit that. So now that that's been posted, I wanna show you guys the kind of content I was posting on Flip. If the Earth stopped spinning, the results would be catastrophic. Without its usual rotation, the atmosphere would keep moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. So my plan is to post like 2 of those videos and then maybe like 1 Flip per day. And then if we have bonus videos to add more, up to 5 per day. And then we'll, like at the 5-day mark, we'll kind of adjust how the views and how engagement's going to see if we need to switch the kind of videos. Because honestly, I really haven't seen a whole lot of those type of videos on Flip. So I'm not sure if there's a great market for it. And then we can kind of judge, do the people on Flip actually want to see this content? And if not, we'll probably switch it more to like what I teach on my YouTube channel and my other social medias where it's more like making money online. So I think that's my plan for now. So I'm going to post those 2 videos. We already posted the Flip review, and then we're going to go to bed, wake up and see where we're at. And yeah, let's get this challenge going. I'll see you guys in the morning.
7 hours later.
Hey guys, it's the morning. So last night we posted our first Flip review, and then we also posted 2 regular clips to try to get some money off engagement. And now let us check what our results are. So I'm really interested to see how much or if anything has actually happened. Oh, okay, not great. So as you guys can see, if I put that up there, we hit like 28 views, 22 views, and then only 1 on my last one I posted. If I go to the wallet here, I'm at $3.33. So what, that's like almost 10 cents.
Wow.
It's fine. It's not anywhere close to what we're wanting to do if we're wanting to hit that $100 goal. So I'm at almost $60 in cash or flip cash. I'm at $59.98. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I guess what the plan is today is we're going to try to make a more engaging hook when it comes to our review. So we're going to do another review with this product, and I'm glad that's not broke. That really scared me. I think what we can do is maybe if we started off with like the purples on my teeth and I just go like right into it, I feel like that will be more of a visual hook where people are like, wait, what is he doing? Okay, so we got the hat on because my hair was looking atrocious. Also, my skin's still a little bit red because it always is when I get out of the shower, but screw it. I just want to get this done. So I'm going to film this. What's up, guys? This stuff is going to make your teeth so white. If you guys, I can't. Now, the reason why this actually works is because the color purple naturally actually cancels out the color yellow. So sale right now, and they're not going to last long. I'm the chosen one. All right, so we are going to edit that. We're going to upload it. Then we're going to periodically be uploading those other clips to try to get some more engagement. Now, I'm not going to be recording every single time that I'm filming a flip review or I do clips to get some engagement because I think you guys already understand how it works and how to do it. So that's just redundant to show you that over and over again. Anytime there's an update, I'll make sure to get on, film that, and then keep you guys updated. Also, one really important thing that you guys need to be aware of, so that on Flip, hashtags are actually really important and you have to pick a topic. So make sure you guys are aligning the topic with what you're talking about, but then use lots of hashtags because on this app right now, it's very useful to push your videos out further and further. Whereas like on TikTok and Instagram, it's really not that important. It's more to like categorize what your video is about. On Flip, it will actually help you go further. So make sure you guys are doing that. Use hashtags, utilize them because it'll help your videos go further. So I will check back in when I have an update. The bedhead is really real today. I don't even care. I'm not going to fix my hair. Anyways, so this is 5 days now that we are from the start of the challenge. And move that. It's not looking great. I'm not gonna lie. It's not looking the best. Let me show you what we've done so far. So as you guys can see, I've been posting 4 to 5 videos every single day since I started. And I've at least been posting 1 flip review. And the total that I've made, if you look at my wallet, so I'm at $77.41 of flip cash. And now we are at $5.23 for our creator earnings, which means that we are right around $2 made in engagement since we started this challenge, which is not great. And I'm actually kind of shocked about this just because of the fact that all the stories I've been watching, of course, you have to be careful with what you believe from online, but I know that some of these creators are legit. And so I don't know what the deal is. So the video that I posted yesterday, so that one is currently sitting at like almost 500 views. And that one is actually where I made the most of my engagement and the most of my earnings, which is really interesting to me because I've been posting consistently and not really seeing any success off these. But it was that last video I posted that took off per se, on Flip. But the problem is, I don't know if that's just like a one and done thing, if that was a random one that went viral, because none of the other ones have. Not any of them have done really well. Since we have like 4 or 5 days left on this challenge, I think what the plan is to open up a brand new Flip account. And then something that I've seen do really well on Flip recently, or at least something that's been recommended to me a lot, is like these top 5, like different niches. So like one of them could be like the top 5 Trump moments, or like the top 5 Karen like meltdowns, things like that. So you're technically not like coming up with the content, but you are rearranging and re-editing it to make it your own. Because I'm going to sit down, I'm going to create a new Flip account. I'm going to purchase a really cheap product because you have to purchase a product to be able to unlock the ability to record clips and flips. So then after I do that, and the package is on its way to me, I'm just gonna start uploading as fast as I can. I think I'll also continue to post 1 or 2 videos on this other account just to see if I can continue to gain traction, just because that last video did do well. But we'll see how it goes. So I think that's the current plan. I'm going to get to work editing and collecting clips and stuff like that and opening up a new account. And I guess we'll check back in later and I will do my hair. So or I'll just wear a hat, let's be honest. I'm gonna wear a hat. I'm totally not doing my hair. Okay, so our new account is up. I just created it. I actually had to use the Google Voice app to create a new phone number because apparently, I guess I didn't know this, but you need a brand new phone number for every account you do. So Google Voice is great. It's free. You just have to confirm it with your real phone number. So I used that, got this account set up. My hair is still not done, so promise is made, promise is kept. And you can see we got our first video up. It's already got like 20 views, 19 views here. So what we're gonna do is try to pump out 2 to 3 of these per day because this is gonna take a little bit more research, a little bit more editing than my other ones. So we are going to get these going, as well as if my product arrives within the next 5 days, we'll go ahead and try to do some reviews. But for right now, we're going to just be working on getting that engagement. And on my other account, we'll still try to upload those fact videos as well as some reviews. I'm going to keep grinding away and try to pump these out. We'll check back in a few days. What's up? I just have a couple updates. So number one, I am currently sitting at like $6.40 something cents on my original account that I started this on. I have up to 30 cents now on that second account where I'm doing like top 5 daily things. And then I started a new account because I started to notice a trend, and this could be just placebo, but I noticed that a lot of the accounts that were doing really well on Flip seemed to be ones that were talking about Flip itself and talking about making money with Flip. So I made a third account, which was hard to do because I had to use my wife's phone number with Google Voice to be able to open up a third account. So now I'm running 3 accounts, posting 3 to 5 times daily. So guys, I am really trying my hardest for you to try to see how I can make some money with this. But with all that to say, our total comes out to almost $7. And so I'm just really, at this point, I'm kind of bummed, to be honest, because this is now 1 week of doing this and I've only made about $7. And it's just kind of disappointing because you see all the videos online and on Flip especially, like, I made $55,000 in my first 3 days. And it's like, how are you doing that? So anyways, I'm going to keep grinding. We got 3 more days left in this challenge. I'm going to give it my best shot. I'm running 3 accounts. It is a lot of time, very time consuming, but we're going to see if this yields us a good result. So I will check back in probably now at the end, since we only got 3 days left, so I'm going to grind hard. We're going to get this done, and we shall see. In the next update, we will see what we made total for our 10 days on Flip. This has been a long 10 days, but I know you guys want to know how much I've made after posting. I've done now 3 different accounts on Flip, and the total amount that I have made on Flip in the last 10 days is $8.76.
Kobe!
What happened? I have no idea. $7 on this account, 35 cents on this account. Although I think that's off because it had said $1 something, but I'm only going to do what the screenshots say, so you guys don't think I'm cheating. And then $1.41 on this third one. So that comes up to $8.76. Oh, and the total amount that I have in Flip Cash is $141.57. I do not remember at all what I started with. It's been so long since then, 10 days ago. So right here on the side, I'm going to let you guys know how much money. What is this? I'm having a hunch over because my camera's too low. What if I just stand like this? I'm not even moving the camera. I'm just going to stand like this. I don't remember the numbers, so they're going to be here. What our starting numbers were, we're going to deduct those, and our total is this. I don't know what it is. You guys do, but I don't. So yeah, feel free to unsubscribe because of that, because I would not blame you at all. Just, I can't believe. I mean, it's not like I'm bad at social media. I do mostly TikTok. Like when it comes to social media, on there, I have multiple videos, like probably 10 to 12 videos that are way over 1 million views. One of them has 6 point something million views. Like, I get social media. I know how to make things go viral. I know how to grab people's attention on social media, but I guess not on Flip. So a couple things that I have learned with Flip, and I think that are really interesting, is a couple things with the algorithm. I've noticed that there's been multiple videos. Like yesterday, I was scrolling. I found a video that had 500,000 views. So that girl's killing it in engagement, like how much she's making in engagement. But that video was posted 18 days ago. Okay, so I don't really think 10 days is actually a fair enough time to actually see how much money you can make. So what I like to do is to keep these accounts up, maybe not grind as hard because I have other projects I want to do. And in a month, I will make an update on that and see if any of our videos popped off. Because I have a suspicion that it takes a lot longer for a video to kind of incubate, on the algorithm. I really tried for you guys. I tried as hard as I could. All day long, I was editing, finding content, as well as the other things I have to do in my life. But on top of that, this was a lot. And to see only $8.76, it's not even $1 a day, is crazy to me. But anyways, it's not even that much. It was actually like $5. So it's like 50 cents a day. Because I remember now, it was like, we like $3.26, I think, in the beginning. So anyways, that's wild. I still think Flip's a really great option. If you guys have other social media accounts and you post anyways, it is so worth it just to repurpose that content on Flip and just make money off those videos, because why not? But we're going to keep going. We're going to try to go another month. So give me 20 more days and I will show you something different. I don't know actually if I will, but I will try.